Lightweight, comfortable, powerful and affordable second-to-none choice for gamers. Here comes the EKSA E400 3D stereo sound gaming headset, and this is EKSA E1 Bluetooth and wired headphones. Today we will show you amazing two gaming headphones of EKSA brand. Let's unbox both headphones and show you their features. In EKSA E400 3D stereo sound gaming headsets box you will get a user manual, a beautiful headphone with cool LED lights with wired controller box, microphone, and 3.5mm cable splitter. On the other hand, in EKSA E1 headsets box you will get a user manual with multiple languages, 3.5mm audio jack cable, USB charge cable, EKSA E1 Mega Bass Bluetooth headphone, portable pouch. EKSA E400 RGB gaming headset has a colored built-in RGB lights at the outside of the ear cups that provides you a soft effect during operation. This EKSA E400 RGB gaming headset comes with the adjustable headband and cool soft earmuffs. Each earmuff is extra large to avoid putting pressure on your ears. EKSA E1 has ergonomically designed with a combination of soft earpads and an adjustable headband for excellent sound insulation and fit. The headphone has a foldable design for convenient storage. Not only is it suitable for daily use, but also for watching movies, music, videos, chatting, and gaming. The EKSA E400 has a wired attached controller box on one side with which you can control volume from control wheel, and other side there is on and off button for microphone. Whereas EKSA E1 has Bluetooth 5.0 that provides stable connection. You can find buttons at lower side of right ear cup. There is an audio jack input available to make connection with PC, mobile and other devices. With short press of first button, you can increase volume, and with long press of this button you can go to next track. Second button is a multifunction button that you can use for on and off this headphone, or play and pause or call answering. Third button you can use for decrease volume at short press, and with long press you can get back to previous track. Press and hold EQ button for 3 seconds to switch to heavy bass mode to enjoy powerful bass. There is a hole of LED indicator next to bass button for Bluetooth, charging and power on and off. There is also a microphone hole for capture your voice. At the left ear cup you will find micro USB input. EKSA E400 gaming headset has cardioids mic with 40mm powerful drivers, delivers high-quality simulated surround sound to enhance the immersive gaming experience. EKSA E1 equipped with a 50mm dynamic driver that allows you to hear each audio source clearly, combining natural stretch mid-highs, tight and powerful low range, and high-performance noise-canceling performance to deliver immersing music. It has a high airtight seal which can effectively block outside noise, so you can pleasantly enjoy the music. EKSA E400 RGB gaming headset equipped with 360 degrees rotatable and detachable microphone which is at the right distance from your mouth, and high sensitive microphone with upgrade noise reduction tech reduces distracting. EKSA E1 has a built-in microphone with 42 dB sensitivity, allowing you to communicate with your surroundings, and also compatible with voice assistant for play your favorite songs. EKSA E400 gaming headset is compatible with most smartphones and multiple platforms, including PS4, Nintendo Switch, PC, laptop, Mac and Y extension cables. You can connect EKSA E1 Bluetooth headphone with your smartphone in two ways. The first way, with a 3.5mm jack cable. And the second way is connect via Bluetooth 5.0. That is powered by the QCC3024 chip to give you the most stable connectivity. The EKSA E1 has 450 mAh lithium polymer battery designed to give you up to 24 hours of listening to music and almost 20 hours of calling on a single charge. So this is all about EKSA E1 Bluetooth and wired headphones and EKSA E400 3D stereo sound gaming headset. Hope you like this video. Product links are mentioned in the description. Please go get yours.